So friends, I'm showing you this Hansgo egg holder. This is a DeviledDispenser, contains egg, and you can see this comes in a good packing, and there are two shells that can be used to put in your eggs. So you can put around 20 small eggs, and there is a lid. So 10 eggs in one shelf, and so total 20 eggs you can put it. So this is easy to clean, easy to wash, and dishwasher safe. I will explain the size later on. So this is made of food grade PP and non-toxic and odorless, durable and sturdy. So the two layer makes it easy, to carry eggs anywhere. So it will keep the eggs, safe. And you can turn this for the temperature, and there is a marking on it so that you can control. So this is the size, this 5.2 inch in length and height, and the marking, and this, as I mentioned, is to control that lid, the temperature side,